Welcome to Hydraulic Press channel.
Hi,
I'm Lauri.
I'm Hanna.
And here we have a bent cylinder rod from hydraulic cylinder. And I have fixed many of these. The idea is simple. You just put it on the press and push from here and then it's straight again. But is it as strong as it used to be before the whole thing? That's what we are going to find out. So we are going to make a bent rod, then we are going to fix it and bend it again to see is it any weaker.
Makes sense.
And after that, I promised on the last video that we are going to crush plutonium core. We have it here and it came with this fancy holder and for some weird reason a screwdriver. I'm not sure what's the point with the screwdriver. I heard that you can like reduce the amount of glow coming out from the like ball with this. Oh, that's probably not optimal. But we are going to crush it on the end of the video. Okay, here is the setup. I think the diameter with this is 30 millimeters and tonnage here is 300 tons. So this is going to buckle, that's sure. It doesn't work. I don't have to calculate it that this piston rod is too thin. So let's buckle it. And I have inserted USB stick to the press, so I can have
Chart.
this fancy chart where we can save the data and have a closer look after the crush.
This is really scientific.
This is science. Okay, any guesses? How many tons?
1 ton.
Yeah, let's add, let's add more. Put like 250, I think that's enough.
Okay.
But how many tons it can take? I'm going to say...
Before it bends.
Yeah, I say 15.
Well, I say 10.
Okay, here it goes. That was quite much, I think. Okay, I'm going to save the data. Then we are going to lift this.
Okay.
And hope it's not stuck. This is second time trying. When the first time it was stuck.
It was really stuck. We had to hammer a lot. Okay, you can do the honors. It's a bit stuck.
Ta-da! Took quite a lot of hammering. And now, when it's free, we're going to straighten it up and see how strong it is. And for straightening, I have set up ready at 60-ton press. And this is great machine for straightening. If you have like longer rod, you don't have to move the actual part, you can move the cylinder around, which is nice. But I think this is so small that we can probably handle this. And you can get the same machine also with the wider frame if you have like really long parts. But this should be quite easy. Yeah, there is like, the ends are a bit not optimal, but we can't really fix this. But I think it's pretty goddamn good. And now we are going to test out how strong it is. And we haven't checked the data, so we don't know how strong it was. But I'm going to now buckle it again, and then we are going to go look at the data and give the verdict. I'm going to take the stick out and go check the data from computer and tell how it went. Okay, third time. The ends are slightly crooked and it's not sitting there very well. But let's find out, is it any good anymore? And the results from the first round or first 2 rounds are surprising. It was just as strong on the second try as on the first try. The force graph is a bit different, but it might be because it's like getting its place on the dents here a bit differently on each round. But at least it was quite strong, even after being straightened on the machine.
like Play-Doh.
Let's check the data.
I think it was really weak.
I'm going to say that it was just as good as on the first go. Let's see how much it takes to snap it. Now it also doesn't get stuck anymore. Now it's ready.
No, it came out.
Yeah, that was the plan.
Now it looks like a chain piece.
Hey, I had the idea to make the chain.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Oh, now it's there.
Now it's here. Let's take the...
Okay.
And I think I'm going to do just voiceover for the data. It's here. And here are the results. And again, same maximum force and bit different ramp up. And I think it's mainly because the ends are getting worse and worse. And also the ends on the press tools are getting looser and looser. And it's hard to fit there. But I would say that it's as strong as it used to be. And now the Plutonium core that I promised, and this was filmed 1st of this month. And that is all for today,
Thank you for watching.
and have a nice day.